Hi, I'm Shakil Sharma. I'm the founder and CEO of Astra Security. We're trying to make world a more secure place through our suite of products that uncovers vulnerabilities in applications before hackers do and helps you become secure proactively. Back in our office, we had some really interesting ways of, rewarding people and, even having these little celebrations for small milestones that we used to achieve. However, that almost stopped post the remote setup. The flow of information across the entire organization or across various departments wasn't happening. And there were so many interesting new wins that we were having almost on a monthly basis, but not everyone was on top of that. So that's why we thought that, okay, let's try something where one person's great work or a team's great work is celebrated across organization. EngageWith helped us giving shout outs to people who go above and beyond, the people who stand for the values that we have, and EngageWith also allowed us to actually link a particular shout out to a particular value that a person exhibited, which was an amazing feature, right? The way people respond to their rewards, to their shout out, has also been phenomenal. Whenever other team members see that, we are rewarding someone, it automatically becomes something that, they want to strive for, and they want to be a person who's getting the next shout out. When an entire company gets to know about the great work someone did across departments, and it's that public as it is in a channel where the entire team is. So it's become a way of saying thank you. And for us, it has become a way of amplifying the amazing values that we want our entire team to stand for. Use EngageWith to create various surveys to get a pulse of how people are feeling in a particular day, which in a remote setup becomes super important. The best part is that usually when it comes to surveys, creating them is not that easy, right? What questions to keep, what should be the ideal length. That's where EngageWith stands out a lot. There are a lot of templates which are pre-built, and I'm sure those templates are well researched templates built by you folks based on your experience working in HR industry for years. All the surveys sent through EngageWith happen right within Slack, and they're really short and sweet. People also love it. They like the fact that it's within Slack, it's quick. They'll just select 3 options and they are done, right? So it's been great using the survey feature. So it's a win-win for all of us. The team is quite friendly, right from an easy onboarding that happened to being always available whenever we require, right? And a couple of times when we were stuck or we had a few questions, the team was readily available, right from the support folks to even Karthik, like the CEO. So you need support and you're able to even catch the CEO doing some support or helping you with those questions. It means that an organization's obsessing over their customers. So super amazing experience there.